Hey there, welcome to my channel Multi-Home Decor. Halloween is almost here, and tonight, I'll show you how to turn your living room into a space that's cozy, creepy, and totally Instagram-worthy. From ghostly lighting to DIY potion jars, you'll get step-by-step ideas to wow your guests. Ready to make your home the talk of the neighborhood? Let's begin! Section 1. Haunted Lighting Magic. Lighting is everything. Switch off those bright white bulbs and go for warm orange or flickering candle lights. Want something extra spooky? Place purple or green spotlights in corners for eerie shadows. A mist machine or a wall projector with flying ghosts instantly transforms the vibe. Section 2. Creepy Walls and Windows. Walls and windows are your blank horror canvas. Add fake cobwebs, bat decals, or shadow cutouts of witches. For windows, stick spooky silhouettes and use backlighting so your house looks haunted from outside. A cheap trick? Hang sheer black curtains and let the shadows do the work. Section 3. Furniture and Cozy Horror Touch. Transform your sofa and chairs with deep black or blood red covers. Throw in Halloween cushions, pumpkins, skulls, or black cats. Drape old gauze or lace over shelves and coffee tables. This gives your home that abandoned haunted mansion look without spending much. Section 4. Mantle and Coffee Table Centerpiece. Your mantle or coffee table should be the spooky showstopper. Arrange candles in tiered holders, add potion bottles, and mini pumpkins. DIY idea: fill mason jars with colored water, Add creepy labels like witch's brew or spider venom. Bonus points if you throw in glow sticks. Section 5, Fun and Interactive Props. Make your room come alive. Motion sensor witches that cackle, skeletons that move, or a candy bowl with a hand that grabs back. It's playful, spooky, and unforgettable. Kids love it, and adults, they scream too. Section 6, Final Touches and Halloween Atmosphere. Now, add the finishing touches. Spooky playlists with thunder or creepy whispers in the background. Light pumpkin spice or smoky candles to fill the room with autumn scents. And don't forget a Halloween-themed backdrop for selfies. Your living room instantly becomes a photo booth. And that's how you create the ultimate Halloween living room, equal parts cozy, creepy, and creative. You don't need a big budget, just imagination and a few clever hacks. So, tell me, are you going for a family-friendly pumpkin vibe or a dark haunted house theme this Halloween? Drop your answer in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe for more home design magic. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.